Subscribe to Civil Steps YouTube channel. Press bell icon to get latest updates.
Durand line. That is a line between, or you can say a border demarcated between Afghanistan and Pakistan. So it is most expected that it will come in news. Why? Because of, you can say, rule by Taliban in Afghanistan. So recently Taliban has said that Afghans oppose the fence erected by Pakistan along the Durand line. So Afghanistan rejected that line. Now what is that line? Now this fencing, which is of 2640 kilometer, that is 2640 kilometer land border with Afghanistan, began in March 2017 after a spate of attack from, or you can say, across the porous border. Now we'll see some background of this Durand line, because it is important again for your exams, because it is in news. Now this line was established in the Hindu Kush in 1893 and it runs through the tribal lands between Afghanistan and British India. In modern times, it has marked the border between Afghanistan and Pakistan. So we can say it is a legacy of the 19th century great game between the Russian and British empires, in which Afghanistan was used as a buffer by the British against a feared Russian expansionism to its east. If you are lacking basics, then refer your modern history, or you can say history part. Now the agreement demarcating what became, or you can say known as Durand line, was signed between the British civil servant with the name Sir Henry Mortimer Durand and Amir Abdur Rahman, you can say the then Afghan ruler, in 1893. Now Abdur Rahman became king in 1880, that is 2 years after the end of the Second Afghan War, in which the British took the control of several areas that were part of the Afghan kingdom. Now his agreement with Durand demarcated the limits of Afghan ruler and British India's sphere of influence on the Afghan frontier with India. So in this way you can say the evolution of Durand line along Afghanistan and Pakistan has emerged. So this is about the background of Durand line. Thank you.